Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function SUMPRODUCT. This function uses at least two columns of values. That means the data has to be in two columns, and the values in the first column are multiplied with the corresponding value in the second column. And the total of all the values is a result of the calculations. Yeah, it's difficult to understand through these sentences. We will understand by an example. So what it means, we need at least two columns. Yeah. And what this sum product will do is it will multiply with this corresponding line, and the total, it will add up as a sum product. So here we have an example where we have products and the cost price, sales price, and stock in hand. So if we need to find the profit, if we would sell all these products, what would be our profit? So to get this sales cost price, we need to multiply cost price with the stock in hand. For sales price, sales into cost, stock in hand. Then cost minus sales would be our profit. So but if we have to individually calculate, so we need to multiply. Let's see, if we have to do the longer way, we have to multiply this with the stock, and we'll copy this one. Individually it adds up. Then we'll add the total. Huh? So 2,35,000 would be our cost price. But with this formula, you can easily calculate this. How? Let's see. Equals to sum product, open the bracket. So first array would be our cost price, comma, the second array, the second column. So what it will do, it will multiply 300 into 200, the corresponding line, 400 into 200, till the last, and it will sum up those products. Let's see. Close and enter. We get 2,35,000, here 2,35,000. And sales value, let's check. It will be A4. Yeah. So our sales value is 3,05,000. Let's check with the sum product. Sum product. So first array multiply with the second array and add up the values and show sum of the product. The 2,35,000. First array is, we'll do again. I've taken the cost by mistake. I'll take the sales. Okay. Equal to sum product sales price, comma, second array is our stock in hand. So it comes up to 3,05,000. Now estimated profits is nothing but sales minus cost price. So we would be earning 70,000. So some product simplifies, the steps. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.